Hot summer with cold smoothies. Let's make it together. Stay tuned with Where is my knife? The first smoothie is a strawberry or pink smoothie. We need frozen strawberries, Greek yogurt, a pinch of vanilla powder or vanilla extract, and honey. This combination works wonders and it's suitable for those who love the color pink. Blend it nicely. You can use strawberries and mint for garnish. The second one is chocolate smoothie. Add milk, frozen bananas, cacao powder, and peanut butter to the mixer pitcher. This is also done. Let it mix well. If you like, you can optionally add some Nutella. I'm so fascinated by it. Decorated it with whatever you think is delicious. Diet. The next one is yellow smoothie. Mix pineapple juice, frozen bananas, and frozen mangoes together. Voila! The smoothie is ready just like that. For the garnish, you can use the mango itself, which you can draw on it like this. And bananas, almonds, and honey will double its beauty. Unlike chocolate smoothie, this one can be a great option for those who are looking for a healthy diet. Look! We made beautiful paintings together. That's stunning! Cool off your summer with these smoothies.